Tim, always good to see you.
Oh, good to see you, sir. We are standing in front of one of your solutions, your SMS solutions, something you guys have gotten into the last couple of years, where you're able to help integrators, help system integrators, kind of deploy, both LED as well as LCD solutions in unique ways. And you've got like 2 or 3 different, you get 3 different levels, all the way from a custom to an already kind of out of the box solution. Talk about this for a second.
Yep. So we've developed what's called Core Advanced and Tailored Solutions. Core being a stock product or a stock item, and we have over 300 different versions of mounts, frames, kiosks, brackets. And advanced would be core with a twist, some option, different color, different feature that the client needs. And then tailored would be a complete one-of-a-kind solution, which could be repeatable. What we've done here at the show at DSE is a hybrid using what's now a stock solution with layered planar for their TVF video wall, and the structure behind it, which is a smart media solutions stand, which could be configured for any size. So if you're putting a video wall in, but there's no wall to attach it to, this is the ideal solution. So in this example, we've left this as a cutaway to show people here at DSE the hardware that we're providing versus the LED display. And then on the other side of the booth, we're showing the same thing, but using LCD flat panels with NEC as one of our partners.
So the back end of this is actually a freestanding, almost wall that this display, that this LED, direct view LED, is attached to, and that also comes from you.
Correct, exactly. So if you have an installation where there's no wall to attach to, or you're doing a curved wall, this allows you to do that very simply. Again, with LED or LCD, we can do almost any size video wall, curved, flat, LED, LCD, OLED even.
Very good. Walk me through kind of the process. If I'm an integrator and I've got a customer that, we've gone with layer planar, because we're in his sort of our Barlow or Absent or whoever. How then, what are the process to go and I contact you guys and say, okay, here's the deal, I don't have a wall, or like you said, it's a curved wall and I need some help here. What's the process to contact you guys and you guys walk us through that?
So we have an entire team which manages everything on a project basis. So our group, Custom Audiovisual Solutions, is 100% project oriented. Every inquiry that comes in goes through a process with project management, product management, either our sales team in the field or myself, or our consultant liaison, Steve Cook, and we set up a project in the system. We go through which technology they're looking at, the type of technology, the model. Is it something that's already been engineered? Do we have solutions available immediately, or do we need to develop something from scratch? And we carry everything from start to finish with the same team, working with that integrator and with the manufacturer partner to make sure we have the best solution. Everything is vetted all along the way to make sure that the project manager on their team or the product manager at the manufacturer are in sync with the solution. It's been a very effective program so far.
You raised a very good point. You mentioned that what happens if the consultant contacts you. That's actually an even better example of you guys able to help, regardless of who's designing the system, right? And who's speccing the system. You guys are able to help them walk them through that process.
Yes, in fact, we've actually been catering to the consultant community for much longer than we've been doing this. When we explored going into custom AV solutions a few years ago, we went to the key consultants around the country and surveyed them to ask, is there a need for this? There's already companies that do things like this. And the overwhelming response was, yes, we would love if Draper got into this. And we've had a tremendous success on the front end, what I call the tip of the spear, which is the AV consultants, all the way through from the largest to the smallest system integrators. So it's been a very successful program, coming up on 2 years now.
Excellent. If somebody wants to find out more about your solutions or Draper in general, how do they do that?
Well, if you're here at DSE, we hope that we'll see you, but otherwise go to draperinc.com.
Barlow from Draper. My name is Tim Albright. For more information about us and more videos from the show floor, go by the website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.